Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on this typing.com lessons. I had a few questions about that. I'm going to log in as my son Luke because my login is from the teacher standpoint. Okay, so here I am, typing.com. Let's see. I'm going to log in with Google as a student. I'm going to choose Luke. Okay, so here we are. This is what your screen should also look like. Here I am. I'm on the lessons portion. Okay, for this second 9 weeks, you all have to complete 2 entire lessons. Now, your choices are beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Just choose whichever one you want to. If you are more of an intermediate or advanced typer, then choose that. Challenge yourself. Or you can also start with beginner and just refresh yourself. You have to complete, all of J and F in the space bar, and you're going to scroll all the way down. You have to finish all of these lessons, the beginner wrap up, and then the beginner assessment before you can complete this entire lesson. You might get a certificate. I would love for you to be able to print your unit certificate and make a picture of that, screenshot it, upload it to PLP. Some of you have been able to do that. For some reason, it's not letting others. I've tried to change a setting on my end. It may be because it's the free version and I haven't paid for this program. But anyway, when you finish all of these lessons up to 15, then you will have completed 1 lesson. All right? You need to have that completed by Sunday. And then by I think it's December 4th, you need to complete another lesson, whether it's intermediate or advanced. 2 lessons. If you have completed any of these in the past, that doesn't count. You need to go back and redo these, do them again. If it won't let you, scroll down and do one of these reinforcement stories or problem keys, but it should let you do them again. All right, any questions, as always, email me. I'm available. I hope you all have a great weekend. Thanks.